Welcome back to my YouTube video series. This series focuses on the CSEC SBA and mainly floor plan. At the end of this video, you should know how to apply AutoCAD, mainly the rectangle command to generate or to create an outline for your SBA or a floor layout for your SBA. Here I have a couple of layouts which I have created using rectangle. So it is important to note the location, the orientation of the different sections, and of greater importance, please be aware that I use no measurement here, no actual measurement. What I did, I established a line. So this line is used as a guideline. All right, this line is used as a guideline. So this length is assumed to be 4,000. This length is also assumed to be 4,000. So I use that length as a reference, as well as my knowledge or your knowledge of the different room sizes. Yeah. So say, for example, it's important to know the different size for the different sections and have an idea of where they are. It is very important that you watch the previous video on this. That is video number 5. That gives a good idea of how you should lay out your floor plan, what should go where. Okay. Let us use this sketch, for example. The sketch or this draft. Here we have a bedroom here, a bedroom, and a closet. A small bedroom is 3,000 by 3,000. A good sized bedroom is approximately 4,800 by 3,600. That's a nice sized bedroom. A closet, a closed closet, is typically 4 to 5 feet long by 750 millimeters deep or wide here. So for this drawing, we have a bedroom here and a closet here, not a closet here, a second bedroom here, a shared bathroom here. We have a shared bathroom, which is accessible from this bedroom, as well as that other bedroom down here. We also have a third bedroom. And please note that this bedroom, the entrance is here. So you enter here. This bedroom also has its own bathroom, which is here, and smaller sized closet. Starting here, this would be our veranda. And please note that based on the previous video, it is recommended that we wing or place our bedroom to one side or closer to each other. That is basically what we have here. All the bedrooms are placed on one side or they're winged. Here we have our veranda. From the veranda, we enter by our passage. And the passage here leads to bedrooms from there. We could add a door here. You could also add a door here for this bedroom, which, yes, that is needed. So something is missing from this drawing. I would add a door here. So to add a door for this, I'm simply gonna move this down, move this here, and I'm gonna drop this here, drop this here. I think this is a bit too large. Then I'm gonna trim, TRN, and here we have a door. A door is created there. So this bedroom, we enter here. This bedroom has a door there. Let's go back to the traffic pattern. We enter here all the way up to, we have the dining, we have the kitchen. From here, we go into the living room. From the living to the kitchen, from the kitchen through to the patio, from the patio to the dining room. And this is a closed concept. If this was an open concept, we probably would have removed this wall here and let this be one large area. We also have, from the kitchen, we have a laundry area here. Please note that this is just a layout that I created using rectangles. All right. So no windows are added as yet. The sizes might not be the exact, yeah, as I use my visual inspection pretty much. I use my site to estimate the diamond size. Now, to move on, we have a garage here. And this seems to be a two-car garage, as we have one entrance here, one there. And of course, remember that the garage should be 6,000 millimeters deep, and the width should be 3,500 for one car. So in this case, we want two cars, so this should be 7,000, right? Our passage should not be closer than 1,200, which is 4 feet. So this should be minimum 1,200. And our bedroom, you will determine exactly what size you want for those. Up to our bathroom, from here to here should not be less than 1,500 millimeters minimum. Well, should not be less than that. The width here should not be less than 2,400. Yeah, as that is the minimum space that we would need to be able to accommodate a full-size three-piece bathroom, which includes a bathtub, face basin, and a toilet. Very important. The sizes of these closets varies. And based on this sketch, this closet size would be too small. But again, it's a sketch. When you're applying the actual measurement, you would make those adjustments. Our kitchen seems to be relatively large as well. Yeah, so our kitchen here, or patio, dining room. For our laundry, I would want to have an external door here, a door that leads to the outside. Yeah, so I would probably add a door here when I'm actually drawing this in AutoCAD. Living room is next to the kitchen. Living room is here. Dining is here. That layout seems pretty good. Now, from the garage, we enter here. We have a storage area here. From the garage, we enter here. We go into the living room. We go into a bedroom. We come back, go to this bedroom, veranda as well. So traffic pattern is good. Seems to be pretty okay with this drawing. All right. Let us move on to this one. This is another layout, except that this one here is just pure lines. I haven't gone through the process of deciding where I want doors to be. So this would be pretty much the first stage. So here we have a garage here, a bedroom, a bathroom, a closet, another bedroom here, and a bedroom here, bathroom, and a closet. All right. So this could be a good task for you too. I would recommend that you pause the video here and sketch this. Sketch this using your pencil or AutoCAD, and then assigned door. All right. So I'm gonna stop this video here for now. Please look out for video number 7, which will be a continuation of this. In video number 7, I will be showing you how to actually create the blocks or the rectangle or squares to generate the floor plan. All right. So again, thank you for watching. If you like what I'm doing, please like, subscribe, share. My objective is to ensure that we produce good quality students that knows their stuff and that will get good grades in AutoCAD. I have a book on CSEC SBA guide and workbook. It's very, very important. It has some really, really good material. It basically covers all the things that you need to know, the important things. All right. So look out for that book. It's available. Might not be available yet to the public, but it's available to schools. All right.